Hello everyone, today I show you how to disassemble iPhone 8 and replace the battery. To disassemble iPhone 8 you need the following tools: screwdriver set, tweezers and opening plastic tool, plastic mediator, suction cup for removing display. In description of this video I left links to necessary tools and parts for replacement. Before disassembling, turn off the iPhone and remove the SIM card tray. Unscrew two screws near the lighting port. Display glued around perimeter of iPhone, and we need to hit the surface of iPhone for open it. Apply the suction cup near home button and pull up on the ring. Next, push the plastic mediator between the display and iPhone case. From this position, evenly and slowly open the display around the perimeter of iPhone. The iPhone case opens like a book. Open the display to the right. Next, using a Phillips PH00 screwdriver, unscrew the 4 screws and remove the metal panel. First, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard, and after that, remove the 2 display cables. Next, unscrew the 3 screws and remove the metal panel in the upper case of iPhone. Disconnect the front camera cable from the motherboard. Unscrew 3 screws and remove the metal panel. Unscrew 1 screw on the Taptic Engineer. Separate the cable from the speaker and disconnect it. Unscrew 1 screw with a stand-off screwdriver. Turning off cable, and now the Taptic Engineer can be removed. Slowly pull one adhesive tape away from the battery. In the same order, repeat with the other 3 adhesive tapes. On new battery, apply the adhesive tape and install the battery in housing of iPhone. In description of this video I leave link where you can buy new battery. Remove the old glue from the iPhone case. Also remove the adhesive from the display module. After that, wipe the surface of iPhone case and display module. Now take adhesive tape and apply it to the case of iPhone. With this tape you save waterproof resistance of the iPhone. Also I leave link to this adhesive tape in description. Connect two display cables and front camera cable to the motherboard of iPhone. Install the metal panels and fasten the screws. Then connect the battery cable. Now close the iPhone case and press down the display around the perimeter of iPhone. Fasten the two screws near the lighting port. Now you can turn on the iPhone and use it.